Hello, welcome to another LEGO Star Wars set review, but this time we are looking at 7678 Droid Gunship. This beauty arrived today. Luckily, unfortunately I'm holding the camera back because it's such a big box. Yes, I had to put some substitute parts in certain parts of the set. But, yeah, Droid Gunship. I won't show you the model yet. Here's your product shots, and there's all the features from it, which I will be showing in the video. And there are the other sets, which I want. The top one, that one, 7673 is the one I want. It's a Separatist set. Of course, the side of the box is like the same as the front. The front of the box, of course, you get 3 minifigures. You get 3 droids. You get 2 standard ones, which I put in the instructions. You get 2 of. And of course you get the droid pilot, which should be blue. That should have been blue, but instead they gave us a standard one. Further ado, let's remove the box. Luckily this one came with its box, and before I show off the set, here's the instruction manual. Here's the instruction manual. Yes, I won't show a little bit too much, because this was the instruction manual. There's his product shots in red. There's the product shots. Yeah. Well, I'm familiar with that cog anyway. And there's the other sets. That's the one I want. That's the next one I want, because you get 2 back. Anyway, further ado, let's have a look. And now look at the set. Oh god. Let's look at the minifigures you get with it. You get 3 B1s. In the last review I did, I'll go and get one. There's the minifigure in the last review, and there's one now in this review. They're a little bit different. They've got the same style, but the one on the right has a rocket pack and a different colour body and head and arms. So there's your comparison of the minifigures. There's your comparison of the minifigures. And of course you've got one handless one to go in the pilot, into the cockpit, which I'll now show one of the features of. Now I'll zoom in into this feature here. I'll open it up. That blue bit is a substitute. Well, the blue bit is a substitute to one of the grill pieces. You stick the droid in there. You stick the droid. That was another droid that's just dropped. I just push his head down and plonk. There you go. Now it's in the ship. So now I may have to change the batteries. I'll resume this review in a second. Well, my apologies, I had to change the battery. You know how long these batteries last when I film. I'm just holding the camera like that for now, so I can get it into position. Right. Well, since we've already had a look at the minifigures, it's time to look at the vehicle itself. So you 2 puppies come out. Now we'll look at the vehicle. Now for the vehicle. Well, it's a gunship. First appeared in Revenge of the Sith, but a little bit more in the Clone Wars series. I can't remember the episode. Clone Wars fans can tell me. They originally made their real first live film appearance in Revenge of the Sith. And also in Battlefront 2 as transport ships. Yes, it's got articulation here. At the front cannons. Here. The other cannons. That's just a substitute piece, by the way, but it will still do the job as a gun. Those bits at the bottom, the cockpit you've seen, these little flaps go up, will help with the feature, which I will demonstrate in a minute. Same on the other side. Right, you get this black cog, you get this grey cog, and you turn it, because there is a rubber band underneath. I'll show you underneath. There we are, I'll show you underneath. There's the missiles. There's one side. There's the other. There's the function. before I show off the function, I should do one quick comparison, and that is the hyena bomber from the previous review I did. Here is the hyena. There is the hyena bomber who appeared in the Clone Wars, not in the films, but in the game. It's a shame that it would have been cool in live action. So here, I'll put an in card in for the hyena bomber. Anyway, back to the gunship. Well, we all can't get what we want. Well, we can't get what we want yet, anyway. But here's the gunship. Right, back to the gunship. Right, I'm going to lift this up. You can see the function. Got to turn the cog on the top. You'll hear all the missiles dropping. You see one. You see one in the corner. You see one there. One's dropped. 2, 3. There you go. There we go. I forgot. These are the missiles, similar to the hyena bomber. The closest replication from the hyena bomber are these ones, because I built differently. Right, to put them back in. A top tip for you. Open it out, do it in assembling order. Black one first, then grey, and then black again. Then close it as best you can. I forgot to show that in camera. Close out the best way you can. There we go. Now I'll show you on the other side. I see one of them didn't do escapee. That's right, that's in position. 1 and 2. Close it a bit more so it doesn't move about. There we go. There we go. Well, I'll say mine came 99% complete. I'm sorry, I'm sweating right now. Alright, I'm fine. I've had my booster. It's fine. Oh god. I've had my booster last week, so it's fine. Stupid dog. But anyway, if you like the gunship, if you like the Separatist, if you like the Clone Wars, this set is for you. My dream set of having is the MMT from the Phantom Menace. That's my dream set to have. It's a big thing. So there we go. If you like this, if you like set number 76768, no, 76678, my bad. Reading the set wrong. I'll just put the box into the background, into the shot. There we are. If you want this set, good luck finding it. I paid a reasonable amount of money for it. I paid a reasonable amount of money for mine. Sadly, it was 99% complete, but I managed to find some substitutes to make it complete. So that's fine. I don't care if they come in sort of 99-ish, 99.9% complete. I could just find substitutes. Anyway, please, stay safe. Get boosted, get vaccinated if you haven't. Check out my other LEGO Star Wars sets I've got. Check my Bionicle reviews. Stay tuned for some more Jurassic World reviews. And hopefully I'll be coming back to doing some game clips again. I had a lot on my mind without doing game clips at the moment. Due to I've been concentrating on Jurassic World. And Battlefront 2 to get rid of my stress. But anyway, if you like this review, I recommend it. Good luck finding one in such good condition. And I'll see you folks later. Stay safe, get jabbed, and ta for now.